Hi friend, how are you? I also read your message and welcome back to after a long electricity problem. In this video, I am showing you how to resolve your issues, your ribbon issue, your change password issue, and you send to me your sample database. I will be trying to check the database. Then I will resolve your problem, and inshallah today I completely with you. So first of all, I have already opened my project. So I click on it, and then I am creating the form. I am creating the form, current password, change password, and confirm password. Sorry, here is the old password. So this is the old password. Okay, and first of all, I am showing you how to clear the ribbon. And first of all, you go to your main navigation, open and click on it, form, and going to form load, and here is do cmd dot menu show toolbar ribbon toolbar no. Okay, if I click on it, if when this form is loading, no toolbar will not show. Okay, I am going to main page and click here. It's okay. If I close that, I reset the value, model yes, go to image, and I will drop the issue so that you will be showing the all issues. Yes, look like background, no toolbar. And if is done, then loading on full screen. Here is no toolbar, show no toolbar. If you want to show the toolbar, then click, or someone is click on this. So I perform the text on click, then do cmd dot show toolbar ribbon yes. Okay, if you click on it, then showing the toolbar. Okay, how is working? You like going to just stop the do cmd, then show. Okay, if I click on it, then show the toolbar. Let's see. And if I reload the form, then no toolbar. So I am doing the best opportunity to use this function is loaded on login form, this form. When form is loaded, then show to me no toolbar. Okay, and close it. When I reopen the database, no toolbar. Admin, like open, no toolbar. If you click on it, then show the toolbar. If you use the model type, then showing you moderate size, because model view already belongs to MDI form, because MDI form is the main form of your software, like that interface, and all form will be including in MDI form. But this form is not MDI. If you stop the issue of do CMD, maximize, undo, then you show the form. If you use just model form without pop-up, then showing you full form. You show not ribbon. If I click on it, show the ribbon. So this is good function. If you like how you manage your show toolbar and hide toolbar, it is depend on you. So I reset the option pop-up yes, and go to event and reset do CMD. You showing okay there. So this is your ribbon issue.